Hi Virgos, welcome to my channel. So in today's video, I'll be looking at your energies for the remaining month of September. Okay, so this is going to be a love reading between you and your person. So how they feel, how do you feel? I have already laid out the cards for you because I am doing reversals in this reading, and it's really, it takes some time to grasp all the messages with the reversals. So this is going to be a general reading. It may or may not resonate with all of you. So take what resonates and leave the rest. The roles can be reversed if you are not this part, if you are not in this part of the story, you could be this one or vice versa. All right, so let's get started with your reading now. For my Virgos, let's see. So how you view them as the Two of Swords, how you see them basically, Virgos. So it's a Two of Swords in reverse. Along with that, we have the clarification energies, clarification cards with the Hanged Man in reverse and the Chariot. Sorry, Hanged Man and the Chariot in reverse, not the Hanged Man. Okay, so you feel that they are so you view them as a person who is very indecisive in the sense, like at certain point they are not able to take any decision, but when they take a decision, they take it so fast that at the end it comes down as they have taken the wrong decision. Okay, they have a tendency to take wrong decisions in life, to take decisions in a really fast manner, and whenever they take decisions, it's more likely that they are how to say this, they are not putting logic in that decision making. They are putting the physical appearance, they are putting senses normally. Okay, so it's like there's no logic in that decision, but they are putting emotions that you have done this to me, you have done that to me, and they just take decisions very fast. So this is how you view them as, because they might be doing this and you don't feel like very confident with this person. So how do you feel with this person is the Fool in reverse. Along with that, we have the Queen of Swords in reverse and the Five of Swords in reverse. So you feel that this person is really unrealistic. This person is you do not want to put risk with this person, with this kind of a person. You are playing safe somewhere. You do not want to indulge so much in this relationship, although you really love them, but still you are playing it safe, one step at a time, because of them being, you feel that with the Queen of Swords in reverse, they are a person who actually loves to hold grudges from the past. So you might have had some kind of argument or some kind of a fight in the past, so they know when that fight has happened and at what time, what exact date was there, which was that place. So they know that you told me that this and that thing in the past, and they hold grudges, in short. Okay, so this is how you feel about them, that you do not want somewhere to just fully invest your energy, but still, because you love them, you want it to be them somewhere. Okay, so how do they see you as is the Page of Swords. Along with that, we have the Four of Swords, Knight of Wands, and the Judgment in reverse. Okay, they see you as a very immature person who is like who is very bad in communication, who does not know how to talk to them, and who does not know any decision making, anything. Whenever it comes to decision making, you are not there. You are a come and go kind of a personality. You are not very mature, you are not in senses, and basically when they want pamperations, they want to get pampered by you, but you do not give that pamperations much because of the maturity, or because of, but they want that thing, that that past thing, whatever they have always wanted. Because honestly, I'm getting more energies of the other person as an immature, who is actually thinking that you are immature. So the roles can be reversed over here for cross watchers. If you think that this is not you, so it can be the first one who can be you. So how do they feel about you is the Three of Wands in reverse. Along with that, we have the Ten of Swords in reverse and the Magician. They feel distant. They feel honestly speaking, they just are planning for some kind of an ending over here, Virgos, because they want to end this relationship and they do not want to keep it like going and going and going. They do not want that. They want to end this relationship. They want to just, keep a distance with you. They do not want to involve with your family, with your nature, with you. They do not want to get involved so much, and this is the reason what is happening. Your hopes with this person is the lovers, and the clarifiers are the five of cups with the page of cups in reverse. You really hope to get back with this person again, although you might take some small steps while getting back together with them again, but still you want to get back with them. You love them. You feel that somewhere this person regrets whatever you have done for them. Like, you might have given a lot of, although they feel that you haven't pampered them, but you might have pampered them in other ways. So you feel that somewhere they regrets and their decision making and whatever they have done, and whenever you showed that value, that affection to them, they have always said no to that. So you hope that they feel that value and admiration and that affection which you have showed to them. You just hope that with them. Okay, so their hopes towards you is the Ten of Swords. Okay, big deal. With the High Priestess and the Ace of Wands in reverse. Yeah. They hope to end this relationship because it's like they always had this in mind that they will break up with you somewhere. They will end this relationship because I'm seeing two Ten of Swords here, Virgo, honestly, because it's not such a good energy, but they have always hoped this. They might have already told you that okay, this relationship, we cannot go further in this relationship. For some of you, of course, but for some of you, it's like you never knew that this is how it was going to end. You always wanted it to be a perfect relationship, but it just ended, and they are not actually, I don't see them looking forward in this relationship again, like coming back together. I don't see any reconciliation in this relationship because of the fact that they have always made up their mind of dumping you, and this is the reason they do not want to invest more energies in the relationship with you. So what are your actions in regards with this relationship is the Eight of Cups in reverse. Along with that, we have the Knight of Swords in reverse and the Six of Wands. You are really not ready at this time to take a decision like moving without them forward. You just want them to come back. Your priorities are set with this person right now, although you might be feeling very indecisive at a certain point. You might be feeling that, oh my god, I always had plans with this person only, and now this person has just left me, so where should I go? You might be feeling directionless. Like, where should you go? And because you do not emotionally, you are still attached to them, and it's not really easy for you to just detach all the emotions with them all of a sudden. It's hard for you. Yeah, it will take time. Their story. Okay, so what are their actions towards you is the Six of Swords. Interesting, isn't it? With the Eight of Wands and the Hermit in reverse. So my Virgos, yeah. So from their part, when it comes to actions, they are moving towards the calmer waters. They are not looking back. They are just moving ahead towards a different world. Okay, so they are not looking back at you, and this is something. Although there's one more thing which is coming up, is like they will be in contact with you. They might not show you that they have actually ended up with you, but with their actions they will show it to you. They are not going to be involved in this relationship anymore, like physically, mentally, emotionally. So they will behave that they are with you, but somehow they are just leaving from that situation. So you have to be aware when it comes to them, what they exactly want and what they exactly are doing. So there's a difference between both. Okay, so that is all from my side, my dear Virgos. I hope that helps, and we will meet you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.